Hello friends, this is Best Possible Solution and myself am Shehbaz. If your internet connection is connected with someone Wi-Fi but your internet is not working, like as you can see my internet is connected but no internet access, don't worry, just go to search bar and type network connection. In this window you will see your Wi-Fi or other any network you are connected. Just right click on it and go to properties and double click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP, and you can see I am using the following IP address. Sometimes this following address is IP address is not matching with your system. You just have to click on obtain IP address automatically and obtain DSN server address automatically and click on OK and just click on OK. Now my Wi-Fi signal is connected. Let me just try. You can see my internet connection is working, but if your internet connection still not working, we are going for a second solution. Just click on your search bar and type internet option and click on it and click on connections and then click on LAN setting. Sometime we are using proxy server, it's also interrupt our internet connection. Just uncheck this box and click automatically detect setting, click on OK and again click on OK. Hope so the second solution will works and your internet connection will be resumed. If your internet connection is still not working, we are going for third solution. Just close this window, just press Window plus X and click on Device Manager. In this window you have to click on Network Adapters. The second option is wireless. Right click on it and click on update driver and click on search automatically for your drivers. Sometimes your drivers are not updated, you have to update your driver. Hope so this will also help to solve your problem. Friends, if you like this video, just hit a subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.